What is that one characteristics that's it all for anybody that wants to succeed? Just one. Mention one. One. Somebody say dedication. Nice try, not it. Consistency, nice try. I'm giving you guys about probably like 10 or 15 tries, then I'll say the answer. Consistency, discipline, consistency, this is the ones that all of you know. Everybody's just going to discipline, focus, consistency, hard work. No. Discipline, no. When I say it, it's going to be mind-boggling. When I tell you that simple thing that you're missing, nobody's going to get it right. Pretty much, I know. Out of the 540 people that are on this live right now, I'm not sure anybody is going to get that answer right. Somebody say dedication. No. Sacrifice, no. It's surprising that I have 550 people on this live now, but nobody is going to get just one characteristic. If you have it, you're going to succeed in any field at all, whether trading, whether YouTube, whether business, whether everything. I think with the way everybody's suffering now and they're not really getting it right, then it's only right for me to just tell you guys that answer. What do you think? Let's just go ahead and tell you the answer, or I should just wait for some more trials? You let me know. Patience, somebody say patience, risk management, self-discipline, faith. Those are good submissions. Somebody say passion, patience. Now I'm not going to waste your time. The only thing that you need to break barrier. Mr. Chibuza says think big. I like that as well, but not the answer I'm particularly looking for. The only thing is obsession. Let me type it. Obsession. Obsession is the only thing. Obsession. Have you heard that word before? Obsession. Go Google it. Go research about it. Obsession. If you're obsessed about something, you cannot sleep. You cannot go a day without like watching it. You got to be obsessed. You got to just be like freaking obsessed. Obsession, like you sleep it, you eat it, you drink it, you're always talking about it, you're always reading around it, you're researching around it. You got to apply it. Like anything you really want to do well in, especially now that we're talking about trading. You got to be freaking obsessed with it. Have you seen a young man who is obsessed with a girl before? I'm sure most of you are like pretty much in your teens, not necessarily in the teen, like 20s or 30, early 30s. Have you not had that experience of knowing a friend or even you yourself being obsessed with some girl in high school or in uni? You'd literally do her assignment for her. You'd walk her to the bus stop. You'd walk her to her house. You'd even want to sleep in front of her doorstep. Like, you could, even if she has roommate, you could go and sleep on her bed. You're waiting for her to go for lectures and come back. And then just because you want to see, like, you're obsessed. You're obsessed. And it's the same thing in trading or in any endeavor. Call it YouTube as well. You got to be just all the time obsessed. Like me, I'm obsessed with two things majorly in my life. And what are the two major things that I'm obsessed with in my life? It's trading and YouTube. So I'm always like watching the market. I'm always reading books. Look, I travel, I spend 10,000 Ghana cedis buying books. 10,000 is a lot of money. Look, a pair of book, like not a pair, I said a single book would literally cost like, 50 cedis, 100 cedis. If it's expensive, let's say 300 cedis. So imagine somebody, when I'm speaking in cities, sometimes it does not really relate so much with a lot of people. Let's say spending, now the exchange rate has changed, but let's say I literally spend like close to $1,005 to $2,000 to purchase books. at a single go, not like over a long time. Just like enter the bookshop, pick this book, pick this book, pick this book. I left there and I had spent over $1,005. That's just about more than 10,000 Ghana cedis. That's like obsession, because I just want to have all the necessary knowledge in it, everything that I want. I just want to know it all. I just want to be able to talk about it all. I just, so much obsession. You understand me? So it's the same thing that I applied with YouTube. You know, I was so obsessed. I'm like, how are these people able to, like, you know, because I see so many people try to put in their efforts, their passion. You know, they shoot content, but they don't really get so far. They know the things they are speaking, but they're not able to get the audience to watch it. And then, like, what is wrong? Because they are not obsessed. Even though they have the passion, determination, consistency, they are not obsessed to go all the way down to the bottom to know how to succeed in that field. You know, when you're obsessed, you're going to find those keys. You're going to find those answers. You're going to find the things that you need. You know, you'd be surprised to know that I bought about 3 YouTube courses. So you may want to ask, Kojo, what do you need YouTube course for? Because you cannot literally just feel like, okay, I'm Kojo Forex, I'm popular on Instagram, I'm popular on Telegram, so when I shoot video, everybody just go watch it. My videos reach out to people from the UK, from the US, from India, from South Africa, from Australia, all over the world. It's because what I have studied the things that literally gets to tickle the YouTube algo to promote the videos, you know, and put in the necessary equipment which costs thousands of dollars, $10,000s. Would you be surprised to know that maybe that one too I should give it as a try, or maybe I should just straight away tell you that when I just went to Dubai, literally returning, right? The amount of money that I spent in my YouTube gadgets and equipment and lenses and cameras alone, right, was literally between the sum of 80,000 to 100,000 Ghana cedis. If I want to convert it into dollars, well, how much are we looking at? Let's break it on the average. Let's say 85,000 Ghana cedis. It's actually more than that, but let's just say 85 cedis to dollars. So we're talking about $8,700, you know, which is like purchasing lenses, purchasing the Sony A7, what's the name? A7S Mark III. Hey, maybe I'm a camera and grab the Adini Bubumu. Sony A7S III. The body alone is literally like almost 25,000, 30,000. And I bought 12 to 24 mm G master lens. That's also alone. It's costing about 25,000. And I bought also the f1.2 50 mm lens. That's also costing another 30,000. You understand me? That's freaking a lot of money, including this little bit of gadgets that I bought alone. But YouTube has not even paid me as much money like that to even say, okay, maybe for, you know, I'm just using my YouTube revenue and stuff to do that transaction. No, because I'm just obsessed. I just want to do it and do it well. I just want to get people enticed, entertained, educated, you know, with the best of quality, you know. And it is what it is today. But anyway, I still really do appreciate you guys for supporting me and making me reach this milestone. It's a big pleasure, big, you know, journey, and then there's more to come, right? This not the end of it. Like, this is just like a tip of the iceberg.